Now this is another way I do this trick. Remember this card, my friend, is the 8 of hearts, alright? Now you control the 8 of hearts to get to where you want it to go. Then you spread the cards from across. Now my friend, if this card here is not your card, when it's over your card, say stop. Yeah? This is JOHNNYSAMOA. Before you do the trick, my friend, you spread the cards like this, alright? And you take one card and run on top like this and give it a flick. Give it a flick. Alright? What I'm doing here is I'm planting this action, image, whatever you want to call it, into our spectator's head. Because we're going to use this to reveal their card. Ah, I see. Now the easiest way to explain, my friend, is like a diagonal palm shift, alright? Alright. So when the card goes in, my friend, the pinky and the index will hold the card, alright? Your thumb on your left hand will just run down the side and run back up, and your right hand will run across and open your hand. Come in. Alright. Now my friend, when you get a card back from your spectators, let's imagine it's the 5 of diamonds. You put it inside through an angle and do the move, making sure your thumb stays on the left corner and go back up again. Right hand slide across and show your hands. Yo, nothing is there, alright? And you cut the cards onto the table. We're going to do a false cut, alright? We're going to drop the bottom part first. Yeah, their card is at the bottom. We want the half go down. Then just cut and put the other cards on top. No way. Yes way. Alright. Did you miss that? Let's do it again. The card goes inside. Do the move. Down, 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 down. Cut the card. Let the card go down the bottom and all the cards on top. Now their cards at the bottom, we're going to pick up and we are going to riffle shuffle, making sure their card is not seen. Away from them. When we riffle shuffle, we are going to do the Hindu shuffle, bringing their card back to the top, at their cards at the bottom, bringing their cards to the top. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, holding on, holding on. Put on top. Now my friend, we want their card to be second from the bottom. This is the bottom, we want their card to go here. How are we going to achieve that, my friend? Simple. Your thumb will take their card down, these fingers will take the other card down, like that, right? At the same time. Now their card will be automatically at the second from the bottom position, which is where we want it to be. And just put all the cards on top. Now their card is second from the bottom. Then I do a spring. You don't have to do a spring, alright? I do it for entertainment purpose. You gotta remember, you are doing magic to regular people, not professional magicians. So anything like it's entertainment for the people that are watching, alright? That's how I do things. Anyway, when I spring the cards like this as well, it loosens up the cards, makes it easy for me to get that count of 2 cards, because their card is now second from the bottom, right? Now I'm going to put down and I'm going to making sure those 2 cards are not showing, alright? 1. My left hand is going to pick up that card as 1. Practice makes perfect, practice makes perfect, and show them their card and giving it a flick. The flick is important because that is the image we planted before the trick. Right? Now we're going to flick with our right hand, then we're going to change, making the Queen of Clubs facing towards us and saying, if this card is on top of your card, say stop. Alright? You drop the Queen onto your lap. What? Sometimes you don't need a pinky break. All you have to do is see the bottom card. You slide the bottom card back. So the bottom, so their card will be the one facing out. And you spread like this, okay? Now you hold their card plus the bottom card and as one. You gotta be careful. And you are going to do this and give it a flick. That is your card. And they say, no, it's not your card. Look, look. You are going to turn so it's facing you and you say, alright, if this is not your card, you know what about this card? I mean, whatever you want to do. Thank you for watching and peace and do something.